Hi, kindergartners. Miss Klein here for writing job number 2. Now, I have to tell you that I think this week's writing jobs are hard. I think you guys have become awesome, amazing writers, but the work that they are asking you to do in kindergarten, I mean, this is like second grade work. It's nuts. But the cool thing is, we know that you can do it, which is why we're teaching it to you. So, last week we talked about writing a report, and reports give us information and facts about things. This week, Mrs. Volpe and Miss Klein are asking you to revise or make it better. Make your report better by giving us more information because we want to be able to teach our readers as much as we can about the subject of our report. So, we're going to start with this report here. It says apples. That's my title, so I know that my report's going to be about apples. It says apples grow. Apples are sold in stores. I feel like we could make this report a little bit better. So let's think here. Where do apples grow? Do we know? Apples grow on trees. So believe it or not, it's actually very difficult for Miss Klein and Mrs. Volpe to teach writing through a camera. It's really difficult. So we've got our smartboard file here, but I also copied it onto my piece of paper so that I could show you my writing too. So it says the same thing. Apples grow, apples are sold in stores. So where do apples grow? They grow on trees. So I'm going to use that caret symbol that Mrs. Volpe taught us the other day, and I'm going to add the words on trees. Right? See, I can't even point to the right thing. Apples grow on trees. I used that little caret symbol, and then I added on trees. Apples are sold in stores. What kind of stores? Grocery stores. I'm going to add grocery. So again, I used my little caret symbol right there. Can you see it? And I added the word grocery. Now my sentence says, apples grow on trees. Apples are sold in grocery stores. So remember, just because we fixed it doesn't mean we're done. Because we added the ideas, but now it looks sloppy and it would be hard for a reader to read it. So I changed it. Here's my report. Oh, you maybe can't see the whole thing, can you? There we go. Apples grow on trees. You can buy apples in grocery stores. Now I feel like our report is a little bit more clear and people have a little bit more information about apples because we revised it and made it better. Now, let's see here. How do I flip to the next slide? Oops, there we go. I got it. Now, we're going to do the same thing with cars. So my title is Cars, so that's what my report's going to be about. And it says, cars have wheels. A car has glass. My thinking bubble says we can make this report better. We can improve it. So again, I have the same words written here. Cars have wheels and a car has glass. Help me think. How many wheels does a car have? 4. So I'm going to add my caret symbol and I'm going to write the word 4. See it? I can never point to it. It's hard. There we go. And a car has glass. What's glass on a car? The windows. So I'm going to add my caret symbol and write windows. A car has glass windows. Am I done? Nope. I have to rewrite my sentence so that it makes sense. Cars have 4 wheels. A car has glass windows. Now my report about cars feels a little bit more complete. I think our reader would be able to picture it now It has 4 wheels and glass windows. Are you ready for your job? Good. Cows. Cows are what our report is about. It says cows eat. Cows make sounds. How could you make this report better? So you can copy these words. You can pause my screen and you can copy, not these words, we already did them. You can copy these words about cows onto a piece of paper, and then you could add your little caret symbol and make your new sentences. But right here it says, make sure to rewrite your new sentences so that your report looks complete and you can be proud of your work. Now, you know how we share our work and we are so excited about our writing. I mean, imagine what Mrs. Thielen or Mrs. Beck or Mrs. Mettert would think of all of these amazing kindergarten writers just because you are revising and making your work better. They are going to be so proud and say that you're ready for 1st and 2nd grade. I can't even believe it. It's going to be so awesome. So go ahead and get started on revising this report about cows. Cows eat. What do they eat? Cows make sounds. What sounds do they make? I can't wait, and Mrs. Volp can't wait to see your report about cars. Okay, get started. Bye.